Good morning, my dear students. Class, today we are going to do the last question of exercise 8.4 and it includes 10 part, and you can say that basically these are the important questions that often come in your exam in big marks. So class, see these question and try and get these tricks how to solve these identities. So class, first question that we have is we have to prove that this is equals to this. So class, there are various tricks to solve these questions, and in this I have chosen this trick, that is to solve the LHS and get the RHS. We can take any. Now talking about the LHS of it, cosec minus cot A whole square is given. Now there is no relation comes with this and this, so we will use the basic trick of trigonometry identities, that is to convert the same into sine and cos. So cosec theta can be written as 1 upon sine theta, and cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sine theta. So that is the basic trick. Now after that, what you will do, after that, taking the LCM of this down, it will come as 1 minus cos theta upon sine theta whole square. Now we need this 1 minus cos theta. So what we will do, we will take the square at the numerator and denominator separately. So the same is done in the third part of it, this. Now sine theta whole square can be written as sine square theta. Nothing we will do with this because this we need in our answer. So we will work with this sine square theta only. Sine square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. After that, 1 minus cos square theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta using a square minus b square formula. Now this and this can be cancelled, and finally this is the answer. Next, I hope you all are understanding. These are not the easy ones, you have to practice this again and again. Next question, we have to get this. Now in this you can see that LHS and RHS is in very you can say lowest term, and RHS in expanded term. LHS in expanded term, and this is in lowest term. So in this we have much to solve with this, nothing to do with this. So we will solve the LHS only. In previous question, RHS and LHS both were in big terms, so you can say that we can solve LHS, RHS either. But in this, we will choose the LHS only. Now, what to do in this? We will take the LCM of this. On taking LCM, cross multiplication simply, and because both the denominators are different, so there is nothing to do with this. So cos square theta 1 minus sine theta whole square. Now on expanding this formula we will get this. Now in this we can do that sine square theta plus cos square theta as equals to 1, our first identity. So same they have done, sine square theta plus cos square theta as 1. Now 1 plus 1 2 here. Now taking 2 common, it is becoming equals to this. So finally, what left? 2 upon cos A, and cos A can be written as 1. 1 upon cos A can be written as sec A. So it is 2 sec A. Reciprocal of cos is sec. Next. Class, this is the most important question and very different and big calculation needed for this question. So class, first of all, if you see the LHS and RHS, again the LHS, there are a lot to solve in this and very less to solve in this. So we will take the LHS only. Now if you see the answer, it is sec and cosec, which is the reciprocal of cos and sine. So here what we are going to do, we are going to convert everything into sine and cos. So we know that tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta, and we know cot theta is cos theta upon sine theta. So this is implemented here, 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 here. Now what we have got, this we have got. Now nothing to solve in numerator, but in denominator we can take LCM. So on taking LCM we will get this part and this part. Now we have to resolve more. So in next part you can see that what can be done, this sine can be multiplied with this and this cos can be multiplied with this. Similarly this cos can be multiplied with this and this sine can be multiplied with this. Same they have written, but I guess here is the problem, they have written wrongly. It should be cos theta minus sine theta. It is written wrongly, sine theta minus cos theta. Now next step is, in trigonometry this trick always work, taking a common. So you can see that this is common. So on taking common, sine theta minus cos theta, it is cos theta minus sine theta. So on taking sine theta minus cos theta is common, this minus sign will come. What left? Cos sine square cos square. Here you can see that. Now what to do more? Solving, that is again taking LCM and cross multiply. This you will get. Now factorization works a lot in trigonometry. A cube minus b cube formula is applied here. Now this and this will cancelled. This can be written as 1 sine theta cos theta as it is and sine theta cos theta as it is. Now next step can be done like 1 upon sine theta cos theta plus sine theta cos theta upon sine theta cos theta. In this, sine theta cos theta can be cancelled. This can be written as cosec theta. This can be written as sec theta plus 1. So finally, which was our RHS? This was our RHS. I hope you have understood this. See this question again and again. How much time you can see, you see this question, because very important question for you. Next is, we have given this and we have to prove this or use this and get this. So I believe solving this to get this much will be much easier. Now first step, sec can be written as 1 upon cos, sec can be written as 1 upon cos. On taking LCM above, we will get this. We will get this. Now this cos and cos can be cancelled, and finally we have got this. But this is not our answer. So class, sometime we have to make our answer. So you can see that in LCM nothing is there, in denominator nothing is there, but we need in denominator. So what we will do, we will multiply this by 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A. Now see this, Now this can be written as 1 minus cos square a, and 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. So this is the answer. Finally, this is the answer that we have to prove. So in trigonometry, there are many tricks. In these 4 questions only, you have seen that different tricks has been used. All these tricks can work. So class, one more question I want to tell you. Other you can do. Last 5 parts are little easier than these parts. Now see class. This is also like third part. This is also one of the good question. Now class, first of all, if you see the result, and see this, how to get this by this, how to get RHS by this LHS. One thing we can do, that we can make cos and sine as cosec and cot by dividing the whole equation by sine. See, if we are dividing by numerator, then we have to divide by denominator also. So what we have got? We have got cos upon sine as cot, sine upon sine as 1, 1 upon sine as cosec, same in the denominator. Now what to do? Now class, we have to, next step we can do that, we can rationalize it. Their method is to rationalize it. What they have done? They have done the rationalization of the denominator so that it can be solved further. But my trick is, what I will do in place of this one, what I will do, I will write cot A plus cosec A, cosec A minus 1 upon denominator as it is. Now in place of this one, what I will do, I will write from here, from this equation, cosec square A minus cot square A. Now what will happen? It will become cot A plus cosec A, one term. In place of 1, what we will write? Cosec square A minus cot square A. Denominator as it is. After that, what we will do? In place of, now cosec A minus cot A can be written as cosec A plus cot A, cosec A minus cot A. In this part, what I said? I said we will apply cosec A plus cot A as it is, and the second part we will break into cosec A plus cot A and cosec A minus cot A. Now after that we will take cosec A minus cot A common from this, and whatever will be left will be cancelled by this, because answer is this, cosec A minus cot A. I hope you understood this. After this you try by my method, you will find easier than this method. This they have done the rationalization, they have done the rationalization of this denominator. They have put minus in between. After that, in above it has become whole square, in down it will become a square minus b square cot a square minus 1 minus cosec whole square. After that they have solved and they have got the result finally. So this is their method, but my method, as I have told you, you rewind this video and see my method, you will find much easier. That's all class. Rest of the 5 parts you will try yourself and let me know where is the problem. That's all class.